Talk about the weather, which is awfully steamy out there. This is a time lapse from 6 hours ago until right now, with a lot of haze in the horizon, but very little in the way of cloud cover visible from RDU. Now, we are going to see some fair weather clouds bubbling up as we head through the rest of the afternoon. It's even possible that one or two of them will actually develop into a full-fledged shower or thunderstorm. Had a couple of those out there yesterday afternoon, same 10% chance this afternoon, and that is probably being charitable with things. 88 degrees, the temperature right now at RDU. That is the official reading for the Triangle. It's also 88 degrees in Chapel Hill. There's a couple little clouds in the distance. Otherwise, a lot of clear sky overhead. 91 degrees on campus at NC State. Already steamy. Other readings, similar. 92 degrees in Rayford. Oof. It's just noon. 86 degrees in Lewisburg and Roxborough. 85 is the cool spot, such as it is in Siler City. It's 88 degrees as well in Fayetteville. The dew point stands in the low 70s right now across most of central North Carolina, even showing 77 in South Hill, Virginia. That's ugly. 67 in Fayetteville, but you're the lucky ones. That's in the territory that's still at least acceptable. The rest of us, yeah, it's just gross out there. Air you can wear as you're heading out, and that's going to be the case for the next couple of days. Factor together the heat and the humidity, that dew point of 77 pushes the temperature, what it really feels like, up to almost 100 degrees in South Hill, Virginia already. 94 is what it feels like right now in both Raleigh and in Durham. Also 94 for that heat index in Clayton. Just take it easy. The usual common sense summertime advice applies for the rest of the day because temperatures aren't done climbing. We're at 88 now. We'll make it up to 93 for a high temperature by late this afternoon with just that 10% storm chance here and there. Just kind of a few radar freckles showing up. In fact, let's show you on Futurecast what it looks like as we head into the afternoon. Not a whole lot out there. Don't get your hopes up for any cooling trend thanks to Mother Nature. Anything that does develop is going to quickly fade off the radar after the sun goes down. We'll see a very similar pattern tomorrow. Hazy, hot, and humid with a chance for a few radar freckles developing during the afternoon. We'll be charitable and call it a 20% chance of a shower or a thunderstorm tomorrow. Those still aren't gambling odds. In all likelihood, we are going to be mostly dry today and tomorrow. Slightly better chance of storms is going to start to move in from the west as we head into Thursday afternoon. Temperatures are still going to be hot. 91 degrees for a high temperature on Thursday, and we will stay in the neighborhood of 90 degrees Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So Labor Day is the unofficial end of summertime. Of course, summertime doesn't actually end until mid to late September on the astronomical calendar, and it's just going to be hot. Temperatures are going to stay right around 90 degrees for most of next week, with scattered showers and storms most likely on Friday, and that system kind of gets stuck nearby. So we'll see lingering showers and storms. Not a washout Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, but we'll keep an eye on it and let you know day by day so you can adjust your outdoor plans if you have to. But I certainly wouldn't cancel anything. We're getting into closer to September, starts on Saturday, which is the peak of tropical storm season. Looks like the tropics are starting to brew a little bit. So we'll take a look at that coming up.